In today's video, I'm going to teach you why is my Temu referral code not working. If your referral code suddenly stopped working, your invitations are no longer being accepted, or other users cannot redeem your code properly, this tutorial will help you understand one of the most common reasons behind the issue and show you what you can do to try and resolve it. One of the main reasons why a Temu referral code may stop working is because the account has already reached certain referral or new user limits set by the platform. In some cases, Temu places restrictions on how many referral rewards or invitations can be processed within a certain period of time. When that happens, the referral system may temporarily stop working on your account. To begin troubleshooting the issue, open your browser and go to the official Temu website. Once the page loads, sign in to the account connected to the referral code that is currently having problems. This part is very important because any support request needs to come from the exact account experiencing the referral issue. After successfully signing in, look around the website for the support section. Depending on the layout of the page, you may find it in your account area or near the help options. Once you locate the support section, open it and look for the live chat or customer support chat option. When the chat opens, you can send a message explaining the problem clearly and politely. For example, you can mention that your referral code is no longer working and ask the support team to check your account for any restrictions or issues affecting referrals. After sending your message, wait for a customer support representative to join the conversation. In many cases, the support team may review your account activity, verify whether any referral limits have been reached, or provide additional details about why the referral system is not functioning properly. It is also important to make sure you are contacting support from the correct Temu account. If you accidentally sign in to a different account, the support team may not be able to assist with the referral code connected to another profile. Double-check your login information before submitting your request to avoid unnecessary delays. While waiting for support, avoid repeatedly entering referral codes or attempting excessive referral activity within a short period of time, since this may sometimes trigger additional restrictions on the account. Hopefully, after the support team reviews your account, they will be able to help restore your referral functionality or explain the next steps needed to fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.